Okay. I wish Cody was here. Whoa, he's here!
Yeah, I poofed in. See that?
Oh, we have superpowers, Cody!
Yeah, I have laser vision. Look.
Whoa, and I can shoot fireballs! Ugh.
That's crazy.
Wait, can you turn invisible?
Yeah, we do it.
Oh, wow. Okay, so like, I've always wanted to do a superpowers where they're invisible, but I want like Cody to still be here. Like his glasses, like he's invisible, but his glasses are like floating and he can like, so, all right, Cody, talk.
Yeah, I'm here.
Whoa, Cody, I see your glasses.
Yeah, you can see my glasses, but not my clothes. That's weird.
Why aren't your glasses invisible?
I don't know.